After delivering more promises than an unelected politician, Jeep has revealed the 2020 Jeep Gladiator pickup truck at the Los Angeles Auto Show. Is it a functional pickup truck, or is Jeep just hoping to sell them based on image alone? As expected, the Gladiator is a knockoff of the Jeep's bread and butter, the Wrangler. They've set it apart from other mid-size pickups with Wrangler-like features, including removable doors, removable roof, and a folding front windscreen. But it's not all Wrangler. It has a 31-inch longer frame and is almost 20 inches wider to hold up the 5-foot bed. The bed size is similar to the short box of a Colorado, but the Gladiator doesn't offer anything larger, which means many of your loads are going to be hauled with the tailgate down and probably sticking out past the end of the tailgate. Under the hood, you get one engine choice. The proven 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar, delivering 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, made it to either a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed automatic. And the promise of a 260 horsepower 3-liter V6 Eco Diesel in 2020 made it to the 8-speed automatic and generating a monster-sized 442 pound-feet of torque. Our original fear when the engine options were first announced was that the Gladiator would suffer from the anemic towing and payload capacity of the Wrangler. Instead, Jeep promises a 7,650 pound towing capacity and 1,600 pound payload capacity, if you choose the max tow package. Now, these are serious numbers. Jeep is swinging big here with a towing capacity only second to the Colorado and a payload number second only to the soon-to-be-released 2019 Ford Ranger. Now, while many interior features are knockoffs of the Wrangler JL, the back seat is unique and it competes with other mid-sized trucks with a locking storage compartment underneath. True to the Jeep heritage, the Gladiator does sport some off-road credibility, with an approach angle of 43.6 degrees, breakover angle of 20.3 degrees, and a departure angle of 26 degrees. With 11.1 inches of ground clearance and the ability to ford streams and ponds up to 30 inches deep. Now, these attributes, along with Command Track 4x4 system, skid plates, front and rear tow hooks, make all the trim levels trail-worthy. The Gladiator Rubicon, though, is the star of the show, with Dana 44 axles, front and rear axle lockers, a limited slip differential, and a sway bar disconnect. Add in the forward-facing camera, heavy-duty steel off-road rear bumper, an available front steel winch-ready bumper with removable end caps, and you have, hands down, the best spec'd off-road mid-size pickup truck in the market. Now, infotainment systems and safety features are state-of-the-art and comparable to the other mid-sized trucks. Nothing stands out. But where the Gladiator does stand out is the over 200 parts and accessories that Mopar has ready for new Gladiator owners. Where all the other brands usually wait for the aftermarket to design and build the new accessories, Jeep will be ready to outfit new Gladiators with tonneau covers, spray and bed liner, lift kits, off-road lights, rock rails and wheels, and much, much more. So with all this said about the new Gladiator, why not pre-order one? Because we don't know how it drives. We still need to get behind the wheel. And we suspect that on-road, it will not handle as well as the other mid-sized pickups. The cabin won't be as quiet or as comfortable. And at higher speeds off-road, it won't be as good as the Tacoma TRD Pro and has virtually no hope of being as good as a Colorado ZR2. Jeep has done a good job creating a unique mid-sized pickup truck, carrying over the best-loved features of the Wrangler and with it, the weighty momentum of the Jeep brand. Depending on pricing, which hasn't yet been announced, we would be shocked if it did not command a solid portion of the mid-size market. And depending on its road manners, with and without a load, it could easily become the #1 selling mid-size pickup. Now, what's your opinion? Could this new Jeep Gladiator be better than the current reigning Toyota Tacoma or the second-place Colorado? Does the upcoming Ford Ranger with just an inline-4 have enough brand loyalty and the chops to be one of the top 3 once the Gladiator is released? Please let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. They say money can't buy you happiness, but it will buy you four-wheel drive, and we think that'll take you there. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you on the trails.